Rancel Facundo from PSIT 3B SMP. This video is for my IQ test and personality test. So first, in my IQ test results says here that my IQ range between 105 to 120 and I score 6 out of 10. And here's my personality test. It says here that I have scored 59 on natural reaction, means I'm not easily upset in stressful situations, resilient, calm, and relaxed. And score 36 on extraversion, means friendly, serious, formal, and reserved. And in conscientiousness or work ethic, I score 38, means I prefer flexible plan, well organized, and a strong sense of duty.